Delicious coffee liqueur ice cream pie recipe. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an indulgent treat for all coffee and ice cream lovers out there: coffee liqueur ice cream pie. If you enjoy the perfect balance of rich coffee flavor and creamy sweetness, this dessert is going to be a hit. So, without further ado, let's get started. Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueur's Coffee. The Adult Alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover. 1.5 cups chocolate cookie crumbs, graham crackers or Oreo cookies work well too. 6 tablespoons unsalted butter, melted. 1 quart coffee flavored ice cream, store-bought or homemade. 1/2 cup coffee liqueur, Kahlua or any other brand you prefer. Whipped cream, for topping. Chocolate shavings, for garnish. Instructions. To start, let's prepare the crust for our coffee liqueur ice cream pie. In a mixing bowl, combine the chocolate cookie crumbs with the melted butter until the crumbs are evenly coated. Press the mixture firmly into a 9-inch pie dish, covering the bottom and sides. You can use the back of a spoon to help you get an even layer. Once the crust is prepared, pop it into the freezer for about 15-20 minutes to firm up. This will ensure that the crust holds its shape when we add the ice cream filling. Now, let's move on to the star of the show: the coffee-flavored ice cream. Take the quart of ice cream out of the freezer and let it soften slightly for a few minutes. Once it's soft enough to spread but not melted, mix in the coffee liqueur until it's well combined. Pour the coffee liqueur-infused ice cream into the chilled crust, spreading it out evenly with a spatula. Make sure it reaches all the corners of the pie dish. Now that we've layered the ice cream, it's time to return the pie to the freezer. Let it set for at least 4 hours or until it's completely frozen. Our coffee liqueur ice cream pie is ready to be served. When you're ready to enjoy this delightful treat, take it out of the freezer and let it sit for a minute or two to soften slightly. This will make slicing easier. Before serving, add a generous dollop of whipped cream on top of the pie and sprinkle some chocolate shavings for a beautiful finish. And there you have it, a mouthwatering coffee liqueur ice cream pie that's perfect for any occasion. It's a delicious combination of coffee, chocolate, and cream that'll delight your taste buds. Give it a try and let us know in the comments how you liked it. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming dessert creations. Until next time, happy baking!
Add some holiday cheer to your morning routine with our Christmas alien and snowman mug. This whimsical mug features a green alien wearing a festive red hat, along with a jolly snowman donning his own Christmas hat. The design is completed with colorful gifts, a charming brown and gold star, and delightful ornaments. Sip your favorite hot beverage while admiring the playful characters on this mug, and let the holiday spirit fill your heart.